Okay, so we're back at Johnson Road. I'm just going to do a quick snagging video. There isn't actually a lot to do. I'm just going to be really picky. Let's try and find stuff. Jenny, okay. That's okay. It's mostly the paintwork, to be honest. But it all seems absolutely fine. It just needs a... It's alright. It really just needs a deep clean. It doesn't really even need a clean, but we'll get one done anyway. Maybe that can be a touch up with another coat of paint. Maybe another coat of paint there. Again, just being really picky. All the TRVs have been changed. It's a bit dusty. Door knob, door slots behind there. Kitchen, that's the back door. So all the stuff in there needs to be emptied out, but we can do that. Check in. This just needs to be put back up. Bathroom. That's absolutely fine. Plans are fine. So there's a door stop there. Carpets. Paint's okay. And here's okay. So TRV is there. It's okay. Maybe a touch of paint there. I mean, really, we're just waiting for the electrician to come back and move that lighting unit to the centre of this room, because we've created a new room here. Oh, sorry. And we need that hatch. So we need a loft hatch there, and also to actually to make sure that it's properly insulated as well. And then final room. Okay, all fine. So I've just dropped off the CO2 detector. We just need to fix it to the wall. Otherwise, and maybe can we cover that up so just things aren't falling underneath the floorboard. I think that's it. Thank you.